The Little Angels is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and I'm going to walk you through the pieces that are part of this collection. Now, I have the Little Angels square little book, and why don't I show you that while we're this close. As usual, this is a honkin' wide big book. It measures, I believe it's 4 3/4 inches square. And let me show you, there are 72 cutouts in this, included in the count of 150 pages. Now there are 25 different images, and let me just quickly go through these. In fact, we can get in a bit closer, Steve. These are printed single-sided. They're white on the back, and they are a lightweight paper, so that you can, if you like, you can cut around and do a paper toll style designs with this. So just really charming designs. And there are, as I said, 25 different images, and you're going to get, I believe it is 4 or 5, yeah, of each one. So there we go. See, now you'll be seeing many of these images in the other artwork in the collection, but I think there's actually more in here. So there we go. There's the cutouts, and because you get multiple copies of each of those images I showed you, that ends up with the 72. And there you've got all the others. Okay, so that's our square little book. Let me scoot these aside so I can really get into each one and share them with you. We'll have to back up again. And this is the Luxury Topper Collection. Now, it says you can make at least 16 cards, but I know you can probably make more. And let me show you this. It does come with an idea sheet, and that's so useful, both on the front. Well, I guess just on the front. And in this, there are 106 foiled die cuts. So as you can see, they're gold foiled. They just pop out super easily, no problem. They have, some of them have multiple frames. So like this one, you get 3 die cuts in one. Sometimes there's just one. And then like with this set, and you're going to get 2 of each thing I'm showing you, there is a foiled adorable scorable. There you go. And that matches the art, as you can see, that little angel with a puppy. And then there's one that's just printed that's not foiled that also matches. So as you can see, so that's kind of the standard for Hunkydory. Here's the next sheet. And again, you saw some of that artwork. And here is the foiled adorable scorable, and here is the printed. So angels are everywhere, and this is called Best of Friends, so there's going to be more than one angel. Again, the foiled, as you can see, fine lines in the artwork, and then a boulder for the borders, and then a printed one. And then the last set is in blue. And as you can see, and she's foiled, and this is solid. So that is the Topper Collection. Now, let me show you what else is going to coordinate. So we also have the Little Angels Adorable Scorable. Now this is going to have 30 sheets. You're going to get 3 of each color, and let me just show you the colors. So, and as you know, as you can imagine, these are going to match perfectly with those pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one is right there. So you're going to get 3 of each. Again, everything is A4 size, just as it was in the Topper Collection. That's what I like to think about as a generous 8.5 by 11. Now, in addition, you also can get the Little Angels inserts. Now, this has 3 each of 12 designs. I'm just going to show them to you. Again, it is similar artwork or the same artwork, but in a ghosted back imagery. So there's the girl, there's the little angels. The whole sheet has artwork on it, and it does coordinate perfectly. And some of the sheets are just solid, but all of it matches the artwork. So a little distressing on the center, and then you can see those petals. And again, it all coordinates. Okay. Now we also have this time printed parchment. Now that's interesting. There are 16 sheets in total. You're going to get 2 of each one, and I'm going to show them to you. And they are designed to be cut apart. So let me show you that. So that larger one there, and then you've got 2 right here, just really pretty. Here we have a large one, and then 2 more. So even though there are 16 sheets, you're going to end up with far more, because every sheet you're going to get 3 of them. So there you go, big and little. Then there's also these sheets that are kind of distressed looking, very pretty. It'll be interesting to see what Heidi does with these. And here is the blue one. So all of those, 2 of each of 8 designs. So that's fun to see. And then finally, we have a Little Angels concept card collection. Now, in this, you'll be able to make, I believe it is 16 cards, or it's 8 cards. It's 8 cards, I'm so sorry. And the base of them is acetate, and it's all in here. They're all die cut. And I've made one, and we'll get in closer just so you can see it. So as I said, the card, if you will, is acetate. It comes in 2 pieces. You just punch them apart, and then you are going to weave the ribbon in each of the sides, and the ribbon is going to hold it together. The ribbon is included, and you can see it also has done like a pyramid style. So those are foam taped together, same image lifted up. And then also you can attach it to the outside. So directions are included, by the way. The envelopes are included also. And if you go to the product page for Little Angels Concept Card Collection, I'll show you exactly how to put this together. But there are instructions in it. And these little cards can also stand up. Well, it stood up earlier. Yes, well, it will. Okay. So for the Little Angels, you can have the parchment, you've got the inserts, you've got the adorable scorable, you've got the topper, and you have that little book of angels all together already, and just really, really charming.